Hey guys, welcome to my channel Greens and Browns. Today we're gonna do two fun beverages for you guys, and I have my helper, my daughter Crystal, who helps me with all the stuff. And so she's going to be doing the Dalgona coffee. I hope I got the name correct, but she gives that to me a lot and I simply love it. And I'm going to be doing the matcha green tea. I hope you guys love it. Please do like, share and subscribe. I really need subscribers, and share with your friends. I love you guys. Thank you.
Put in 2 teaspoons of water. After putting water, I added 2 teaspoons of coffee powder, instant coffee powder, into this mixture. And now I like to add a little bit of vanilla extract. Not too much because it makes it bitter. I think that's good enough. And now I just like to mix it up. Just give it a little mix just to make it like blended. Perfecto. So we put ice in a glass, and then we pour the milk. That looks amazing. Now we can put the Dalgona coffee onto the milk. That looks amazing.
So here I have a matcha tea. I'm going to put about, let's see, 1, because the cup is big. It's really a cup. It's a mug. 2, 3, 4. Yep, that's good. I got this from H-Mart. You can get it from any Asian store or any store that sells tea. And I loved it. It's a bit expensive, but I loved it. I'm gonna add a little water to it. Oopsie. Okay, give it a stir. A nice stir. I have about a cup of milk. I'm going to pour this in here. I'm going to add some ice, and instead of the boba bubbles, I'm going to add chia seeds because they are more healthier. But if you do love boba, you can add the boba bubbles or whatever they are called. I'm going to add mine. This is a sweetened one. Well, let's see. But it's, yeah, it is sweet. It is sweet. So I don't need to add any added sugar.